Hello there everybody. I just got these new fidget spinners a couple of days ago and I'm selling them. As you can see, I have a white one that has red variants, a black one that has black variants, and this red one that has black variants also, and this glow in the dark which has black variants also. Okay, so the original ones, not including the glow in the dark, are $4. Then glow in the dark one is $6. So, but the red one we're currently out of. So just show us in the comment below about if you want the red fidget spinner. Shipping could take 2 weeks, about 2 weeks, and the shipping cost is $2.61. $2.61, and I show you some pretty cool tricks.